Somehow that is incredibly sharp because I just took a whole chunk off my finger from that motherfucker. Like, seriously, it's insanely fucking sharp. Maybe I can get the skin to stick back on there, but yeah, it peeled it right on up like it was nothing. So I had to re-sanitize the fucking stove. Then I'm gonna go out for a cigarette. I'm done with this piece of shit. I give up. I give up. Like, the skin is barely hanging. It's pretty deep. Now, I know that dinosaur back there's bit me once before in another oven, but I didn't realize it was in all the ovens. So I took off half the skin. Still got more to take off. But boy, does it feel like it's on fire. I ain't wiping my ass with this hand anytime soon. Already missing the right middle traffic finger. I tell you what, people, you need to value your hands more. I'm telling you. But the human body is the most important tool of everything in this world. Yeah, right at the cuticle. Fingernail grows in all the time, so I gotta file that down. A lot of fun that is. It even gets tender sometimes.